a bit negative, around down by around 0.3%. So, whereas futures of the US market are flat, so indicating that some softness, which was mainly on account of comment from regional Fed members, which had said that the rate hike is nowhere near the peak, which has dented the sentiment, and bond yield also moved up because of that. So, but if you see the Asian markets are mostly positive, anywhere between 0.5 to 1%. Most of the market are positive, and even in the metal, though oil is down by almost around $2, but the other metals like aluminum is, if you see the China today market, are indicating positive trend. Iron ore is up by almost around 3%, and steel is up by around 0.5%. Steel and iron ore specifically had seen good bounce back in recent past, in last 2 weeks, from bottom of maybe around 75 $80. It is almost back to around $100. That is mainly driven by the revival of the plan to revive the real estate market in the China market, which has supported the iron ore prices. So overall, mixed indications from the international market, and that will have a similar type of impact on the Indian market also. It's more of a like sideway movement are expected in today's trade. Now I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Yesterday, we have seen a profit bookings at the higher level, and Nifty just closed below the support levels, which gives some sort of a negative sign or some sort of a cautious sign as Nifty closed below 18,400 levels. Today, it's likely to open on a flattish note, and we are likely to witness some profit booking during our day. On the technical front, the Nifty has immediate support at around 18,300 level, 18,270 level. If it's closed below that level, then this selling pressure is likely to be intensified and may drag a Nifty towards 18,200 to 18,100 levels on the downside. On the flip side, 18,440 will act as immediate resistance level. If it surpasses that level, then only we can see some positive momentum, which might take a Nifty towards 18,500 to 600 level on the higher sides. So the view will remain cautious at the high, since we are witnessing a profit bookings at the higher level. Coming towards the bank Nifty for today intraday purpose, 42,640, 42,870 are the resistance level. Whereas on the downside, 42,370 and 42,200 are the immediate support levels on the bank Nifty front. Coming towards the Nifty Finance, 18,270, 18,340 are the resistance level. We need to keep eye on it. On the flip side, 18,100 and 18,000 levels are the crucial support level for the Nifty Finance. So, as I said, the overall view will remain a cautious still from indices. I think that's it from my side. I request everybody to speak for.
Thank you, madam. Good morning, everyone. As per derivatives data front, there is not much of a change from the options front as we are witnessing. Just the same kind of positions we are witnessing from last 1 to 2 weeks at 18,400 and 500 strike. The Colorado positions are gaining a strong resistance, and on the downside, we are seeing that 18,300 is acting as the important support. Below that, directly the support is placed at 18,000 level. This is the position on the weekly basis. While we look at the overall monthly basis for next 1 to 2 months, we are seeing that 18,000 strike is having highest put writer positions. So till the time Nifty is holding 18,000 level, till that point of time, we might witness the range bound kind of momentum in the market. And on the upper end, we are seeing that 18,500 on the monthly basis having the highest call writer positions. So it will act as a resistance zone. The breakout or breakdown of this level is very much necessary for the trend to catch up in the market. Currently, we are seeing that PCR yesterday closed at 0.98 level, which is a negative point currently in the market. Once the PCR again goes above 1.08 level, would be the first level, and above that 1.15 would be the second level for the sustainability in the market. So, in today's session, the support for the PCR would be 0.92. Once if PCR goes below 0.92 level, then we might witness some negative movement in the market. So, keep watch on this level. As per stock and sector specific, we expect two stocks which are creating a base in the market, and we expect some positive movement in that. First would be the ONGC, second would be the Exide Industry. These two counters looks very strong currently as per the OI positions. So that's it from the derivative front. Thank you.
Good morning. Ahluwalia Contracts has won two orders cumulatively worth 530 crores. So this is positive. And the banking system credit has increased by 17% year on year to 129 crore 26 lakhs as on 4th of November. This is reflecting that the robust offtake that we have been seeing continues to increase. However, if we compare it with the October 21st figure, that was at 17.9%. So there is some bit of moderation. But on the whole, the buoyancy remains, and deposits grew by 8% year on year. So we remain positive on banks. Thank you.
Good morning. Blue Dart announced opening of 25 retail outlets in Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities as a part of its expansion plan to increase connectivity. The company has already set up 100 stores in short span of time and plans to open another 100 stores in near future. This is neutral to the company. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll hand it over to commodity team, please.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. As likely, we are expecting commodity prices to correct further, and one should maintain a sell-on price strategy. One can initiate a sell in gold around 50 to 950 with a stop loss of 53 200, and prices are expected to test 50 to 600 to 500 on lower end. Similarly, silver also resisting 62,000. So we expect prices to correct till 60,700 to 500. So selling price is also recommended in silver. We have seen crude closing below 6,900, and we expect weakness to continue. And one should sell around 6,800 with a stop loss of 6,900. Prices can test 6,600 on lower end. In natural gas, we have seen a spurt in prices, and we expect prices to rally further. One can initiate a buy around 520, 515 with a stop loss of 505, and prices can test 535, 540 on higher end. In copper, we feel prices are expected to correct further, though a rally bounce till 685 is expected, whereby again selling could be witnessed. So selling on rise is recommended in copper. Prices can test 678, 675 levels on lower end. So in zinc also we can see prices testing 265 to 64 levels. So one can initiate a sell around 270 with a stop loss of 270 to 50. That's it from me. I'll ask Ria to take over from here.
Thank you, sir. So on the currency front, USD INR had closed at around 81.70. We are seeing resistance at around 82.05 and support at around 81.50 in the intraday sessions. However, for taking call into the USD INR, you can look for a breakout of 81.88 to go long into the pair for a target of 82.05, 82.15. You can maintain a stop loss of 81.68. Going forward with the GBP INR and Euro INR, we saw quite a dip happening. There was a budget that was released. However, the outlook still remains very fizzy. You can look for a breakdown of 96.70 to go short into the GBP INR for a target of 96, and you can maintain a stop loss at around 97.25. Similarly, for Euro INR, selling pressure could continue below the level of 84.25. You can go short in the pair for the target of 83.80, and you can maintain a stop loss at around 84.60. That's all on the currency front. Thank you.